Hello, Prancy.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I am fine.
Oh, how many members are there in your family?
There are five members in our family.
Who are they?
They are my grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, and sister, and also me.
Oh, thank you. What is your father?
My father is a driver.
What is your mother?
My mother is a housewife.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Are they elder or younger than you?
One brother is younger me, and one sister is elder me.
Wonderful. How old is your brother?
They are 7 years old.
Which class does he read in?
He read in class 2.
Do you have any grandparents?
Yes, I have a grandparents.
Okay. What is the name of your grandmother?
My grandmother name is Basanti.
What is the name of your grandfather?
My grandfather name is Joydev.
Do you have any aunt?
Yes, I have an aunt.
What does he see?
He is a teacher.
She is a teacher. Thank you. Do you have any uncle?
Yes, I have an uncle.
What does he do?
He is a businessman.
When do you meet with your all families?
I meet at night.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, Prancy.